Hey guys, VisionAutoworks here with a completed BMW E9X, so E90, E92, E93, 3 Series and M3 pre-LCI. This customer sent in his OEM headlights for this conversion. Headlights were pretty used up. He did opt for brand new lenses, so you can see here they are refurbished with brand new lenses, giving it that brand new appearance. Now, of course, our main goal here is to upgrade the lighting performance. Something we do different than a lot of other builders out there. We are actually replacing the original projectors here with a projector of your choice. Now, he went with the BiLED conversion, so it's a full LED projector system using the G5 BiLEDs. These are a new product to the market, extremely bright, instant on, much better performance than the OEM projectors, and even if you clear lens swap the OEM, it's still going to considerably outperform them. And this customer wanted an OEM look, so no paint. Everything internally is left exactly like original, so only the discerning person can really tell that these headlights have been modified. It is not until you cut the halos on where you'll see we have definitely made a halo upgrade here. So we use the OEM acrylics fiber optic halos that BMW equips in these headlights, and we actually upgrade them by installing either a profile pivot or a Diode Dynamics switchback. We do offer RGB models as well. This customer went with the Diode Dynamics halos. As you can see, they're extremely bright, really even coverage on the low beam halo and the high beam halo, whereas most of the cheaper LED bulb replacements, those LED marker lights, you can spend a couple $100s on those things, but the high beam never ends up being as bright as the low beam. It's just the way the optics are designed. You're never going to get even coverage on those things. So this is really the only solution to actually upgrading the halos. And we also choose to keep the OEM fiber optics to keep that really OEM appearance. So we're going to cut it off again real quick so you can see it retains that OEM appearance. Nothing is visibly changed from the outside, which is a really clean look, especially if you want to keep that OEM plus appearance and keep that basically just period correct look. There are halos out there that are hexagonal, and those DTM style halos, we really just don't like using those things. They just don't look proper in these headlights, in our opinion. So we choose to keep the OEM rings. Great thing about these halos, these are the HD halos from Diode Dynamics, so they do have switchback function. We're going to show you here. So the switchback means you do have amber illumination with the turn signals. And as you can see here, the factory halogen or filament bulb turn signal is blinking here, which we'll probably recommend to the customer to go with a set of LED bulbs there. And as you can see, once the turn signal is cut off, it returns back to that bright white output. So now we're going to cut on the BiLED projector. So this projector has both low and high beam output. You'll notice here that immediately there is no warm-up time on these projectors. It is instant on. So as soon as you flick those lights on, it is instant on, full brightness, and there's no waiting for the HID system to warm up, no ballast to worry about. Everything is immediate on. And then we're going to show you basically switchback function with that BiLED system turned on here. Just to give you another look of how everything looks with the BiLED projector on here. So really clean look, OEM appearance. Of course, we do offer paint options, color matching. Blackout is probably really popular as well. This customer just chose to have that really OEM appearance. So none of that cosmetic work was done. And the great thing about our builds, on the outside of the headlights, on the back side of the housings, it looks completely factory. Everything is internally wired. There is no relay harnesses you have to run or control boxes mounted outside of the headlight. It looks 100% stock. No one would really be able to tell anything's been modified, and you really don't have to deal with any wiring clutter here. There are some situations where some wiring does have to be run out the headlight. For example, if you go with like an RGB system that needs a Bluetooth control module, there will be some wires that do need to run outside the headlight, but for this type of build, switchback only, we can wire everything internally to the light. So it's plug and play. Everything looks as factory as can be, exactly what the customer wanted. I'm cut them on one more time, just to end out this video. We have packages for the BMW E9X, M3, and pre-LCI 3 series on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. You can order directly on the website. And if you have any questions, you can always contact us by email or phone. Contact information is on our website. And definitely give us a follow on Instagram. We post all of our builds and videos we post to YouTube. Thank you.